You've seen stickers everywhere. On laptops, water bottles, notebooks, basically anything with a flat surface. And now you're thinking, I could sell those. Well, you're not wrong. Stickers can be a solid way to make money online if you know what you're doing. If you're serious about turning stickers into a profitable business, you need a plan. So, let's break down, step by step, what it actually takes to make and sell stickers online. Stickers are a solid option for anyone looking to start an online business. They're relatively inexpensive to produce, easy to ship, and people love them. Some use them for branding, others for aesthetics. And then there are those who just have a sticker addiction. Either way, there's a demand. But don't let the simplicity fool you. If you want people to actually buy your stickers, you need quality designs, the right materials, and a good sales strategy. So let's start with the first step. Not every design is going to be a hit. So before you start pumping out stickers, figure out what people want. Here's how. Don't try to please everyone. Your designs need to resonate with your target audience. Are you catering to anime fans or plant moms? Or maybe your niche is all about aesthetic doodles, gaming references, or cute animals. Whatever it is, stick to it and make it unique. You need actual design tools. Here are some solid options. Procreate, if you like drawing on an iPad. Adobe Illustrator, for scalable vector designs. Canva, for beginners, if you just need something simple. Overly complicated designs don't work well on stickers. People want something recognizable at a glance, clean lines, bold colors, and readable text. Make your own stuff. If you're inspired by something, put your own spin on it. Your uniqueness is what will make your stickers stand out. So you've nailed the design. Now, it's time to think about how they'll look when printed. Because let's be honest, bad quality can turn even the best designs into something disappointing. Resolution is crucial. Aim for 300 dpi to ensure sharpness. Also, use CMYK color mode, not RGB, to prevent color mismatches. Save your work in JPEG, PNG, or PDF formats for the best compatibility with printing services. Once you've got your designs with high-quality settings, you need to figure out how to print them. You have two main choices: DIY printing or using a professional printing service. If you want full control over the process and don't mind doing the work yourself, DIY printing is an option. Here's what you'll need: a high-quality inkjet or laser printer, waterproof sticker paper, a cutting machine like Cricut or the Silhouette. The pros: you print on demand, so no need to stockpile inventory. You control the quality and lower upfront costs. The cons: time-consuming. If your printer isn't great, your stickers won't be either. If you don't have a cutting machine, cutting them yourself can be a pain. Before hitting print, don't forget to choose the right cut and finish. Kiss cut for stickers that are made by cutting through the top layer of the sticker material while keeping the paper backing intact. Or die cut for stickers that are made by cutting both the sticker material and the backing material into the same shape. The finish matters too. Vinyl is best for outdoor use. Matte gives a non-reflective look. Holographic adds a rainbow-like effect or sparkle. And clear finish offers a transparent appearance when applied to surfaces. If you'd rather not mess with printing at home, use a professional service. Some popular options include Printful, Printify, Redbubble. The pros: higher quality stickers, no need to invest in equipment, saves time. The cons: higher costs, especially for small orders, less control over production. Whichever method you choose, always do a test print before ordering in bulk. Nothing's worse than realizing your colors are off after printing 500 stickers. Having cool stickers is one thing. Actually selling them is another. Here's where to start. You need a place to sell your stickers. Here are your main options. Etsy. Great if you're making custom stickers and want to reach people already looking for handmade stuff. Shopify. Perfect if you want your own website and full control over your store. Redbubble. This one's print on demand, so you just focus on designing and they handle the printing and shipping, though they do take a cut. You can also keep it local. Craft fairs and markets are a fun way to get your name out there and connect with buyers in person. Pricing can be tricky. Charge too much, and people will look elsewhere. Charge too little, and you won't make a profit. Here's a simple formula. Factor in production costs, paper, ink, cutting, etc., shipping supplies, platform fees, your time. A typical range is $2 to $5 per sticker or $6 to $15 for sticker packs. But check out what competitors are charging. If you're handling packaging and shipping yourself, a few basics will make your life easier. Here's what you need. Rigid mailers, so your stickers don't show up bent or ruined. Plastic sleeves, for an extra layer of protection. Stamps or shipping labels. Go with trackable shipping for bigger orders so nothing gets lost in the void. If packaging matters to your brand, include something extra. Thank you notes, small freebies, or a discount code for their next order. You can have the best stickers in the world, but if no one knows they exist, they won't sell. Here's how to get them in front of buyers. Instagram and TikTok are gold mines for sticker sales. Post design videos, packaging clips, and customer shoutouts. People love seeing behind-the-scenes content. Limited edition stickers create urgency, making people more likely to buy. Offer deals for first-time buyers, bundle discounts, or seasonal promos. People love a deal. If online sales aren't cutting it, try selling at local markets, craft fairs, or conventions. Selling stickers online isn't some overnight success story, but if you put in the effort, it can turn into a profitable business. The key is making designs people actually want, ensuring high-quality prints, pricing them right, and marketing them effectively. If you're serious about making and selling stickers, start designing, get a few samples printed, and list them online. See what happens. Worst case, you end up with some cool stickers for yourself. Best case, you build a business that makes real money. All right, you've made it this far, so you might as well subscribe, right? Seriously, if you want more ways to actually make money, instead of just thinking about it, stick around. See you in the next one.